Okay, B. So this is how it works. You're going through you upload your data over here. You can either do it via clicking this button, or you can click whatever you want to find over here. Once you click it, it'll pop in. You then click on here and you click plus, and it'll add it to the bottom. Okay, I'm already about 3 minutes in. I've cut this down by about 2 minutes. So it was on 7 minutes before. So now I look at this and I'll scope along. I'll see if there's any. Okay, see there's a nice big gap where nothing's happening. No one's interested in something like that. So I'll see if it stops. I click there. Now I've got a touch bar on my MacBook, so I can just click split. But if you don't, you go down 2 fingers and you say split clip like that. Okay, so from there, I then slide it. I'm not holding down anything, I'm just sliding along with my finger. I see something's about to start happening here. Cool. So split it up over there. I then click on it and I hit backspace. That kills that. Now you can see it's gone down to 4 minutes 53. I'll continue a bit. I click something over here incorrectly, my bad. So I go over here. I see, okay, cool, there's some activity. I've done finding the prime numbers. I said 3 times 5 is 15. I then scroll down a bit. I see not much is happening, so I kill as much of that as possible. Straight after this, I'll click. I have to click at it, and then I click split clip. Okay, and then I continue. I come to about here. I'll do the split clip again. I'm just going to do it with my touch bar, it's going to be faster. So I'll delete that, backspace that, come down here, and I actually want this to be quite fast. And I see that I made a mistake, you see over here. That arrow should not be there because it's 2 times x minus 3, that's incorrect. So what I'll do is I'll split that. I'll go to where the end of the line is. I would have probably deleted it. Let's see. There, you can see I've deleted it. So I'll go to this clip here and then I'll click split there. I'll then delete this clip over here. So now I don't have any issues. Like you can see, this just goes directly there. Okay, then I've got the 2x minus 2 popping down there. And you want to try and limit the time that it takes to get this stuff done. Like you see there's another mistake there, that shouldn't have been in.